Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be briefly introducing you to the concept of lambdas. Lambda functions are a way to abstract a function reference. Lambdas are simple functions which can take multiple arguments but only have a single line of expression within the function body. The syntax is going to be the keyword lambda, followed by which we will specify comma separated parameters. Then we will type a colon. After that, we will mention the single line of expression. Lambdas are a nice way of abstracting simple mathematic functions or lookup operations. Lambdas are often associated with a collection of values. Let's go through a dictionary sorting example where we want to sort the key value pairs based on the sorted ordering of the keys. I have a player's dictionary here which is storing three key value pairs. The keys are the player names, the values are the corresponding player scores. If I invoke the sorted function by passing player's references argument, that is only going to produce a list of sorted keys. Observe that we are getting Alex first, Alice key next, and Bob last. Of course, we can take this list of sorted keys, write a simple for loop to iterate over the sorted keys to construct a brand new dictionary object instance where we insert the key value pairs as the key from the sorted list and the corresponding value as the lookup value from the original dictionary reference. I would encourage you to try out that example on your own. Instead of doing that, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem by writing a simple lambda function. Let me first introduce you to items method, which is part of dictionary data structure. When you invoke the items method using a dictionary reference, you'll get the return value as a list of tuple items. Each tuple is going to have two items. The item at index position 0 is going to be the key, and item at index position 1 is going to be the corresponding value from the original dictionary. We'll be invoking the sorted function by passing the return value of items method call as the first argument. Then I'm going to specify the parameter key. Recall that we'll have to mention the argument for the key parameter as the function object reference, which indicates to the sorted function which particular field is significant for the sorting. We are going to use lambda function object reference for this example, just like how the other functions where we have been using the reference as the argument to the key parameter deal with a single entry within the original list of items. The lambda function is also going to deal with a single item within the original list of items, which is going to be a tuple object instance here. We are going to specify the keyword lambda, followed by which the parameter, which is going to be item. Then we are typing in a colon, after which we'll have to mention our single line of expression. We are going to write a lookup expression here. We are trying to look up the value in index position 0 within the item parameter that is going to enable us to extract the keys corresponding to the original dictionary. Then I'm taking the return value from the sorted function, which is going to be the sorted list of tuples, and I'm typecasting that into a dictionary here. If I run this line of code, we'll end up with a brand new dictionary object instance where the key value pairs are sorted based on the sorted ordering of the keys. Observe that we are getting Alex key value pair first, Alice key value pair next, and Bob key value pair last. What if you want to sort the dictionary key value pairs based on the values? That's going to be a very simple change. Instead of looking up the item at index position 0 within the tuple entry, we are going to look up the item at index position 1, which is going to be the corresponding value. That will enable us to generate a brand new dictionary object instance which is sorted based on the sorted ordering of the values. Observe that we are getting Alice key first because the corresponding score is 8. Then we get Alex key next. because the corresponding score of 9 is greater than 8. Finally, you'll get the Bob key, which has the corresponding score value of 20, which is the highest score value. Some of the students find lambdas to be very intuitive ways of solving such problems. Feel free to explore lambdas more if you're interested. We will not be covering anything else about lambdas other than these simple examples. That will be it for today's lecture.